Machine learning is a field of AI that deals with the design and development of algorithms that can learn from and make predictions on data. In this post, we'll take a look at the history of machine learning, from its early beginnings to its current state. The first steps towards machine learning were taken in the early 1950s with the work of Alan Turing and Arthur Samuel. Turing's work on artificial intelligence laid the groundwork for machine learning, while Samuel's work on the checkers playing program was one of the first examples of a learning algorithm. In the 1960s and 1970s, more progress was made in the field of machine learning with the development of new algorithms and the application of machine learning to real-world problems. The 1980s saw a renewed interest in machine learning with the work of Geoffrey Hinton, David Rumelhart, and Ronald Williams on neural networks. This work led to the development of more sophisticated neural networks and the application of machine learning to more complex problems. In the 1990s and 2000s, machine learning continued to grow in popularity with the development of new algorithms and applications. In recent years, there has been an increasing focus on deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that deals with algorithms that can learn from data that is multi-layered, e.g., images, text, etc. As we can see, the history of machine learning is a long and fascinating one.